Welcome back, Nabi. Okay, let me share my screen directly and we will start with this one, Nabi. Okay, Nabi, are you there? Nabi? Okay, just unmute yourself once you're ready, Nabi.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so now, Nabi, let us start with this one. Do you need a minute to organize your ideas?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you 1 minute and then we will start with the presentation. Take your time, Navi. Right now, Navi. Can you start now?
Yes. Oh, wait a moment.
Okay.
This is a picture. This is
Why are you whispering? Why are you whispering?
a picture.
Start now, Navi. This is a picture of...
This is, wait a minute. I don't see what?
Okay. Start now, Navi. You can do it, Navi. You can do it. What are you doing, Navi? What are you doing? Okay, let us start now, Nabi. Okay, can you tell me
Okay.
what can you say about this
This is
picture?
a picture of the the what? I don't know, the garden and the wall. There are three dogs are in the picture. Two children are sitting on the bench. They are doing with their laptop. The man is using a card to take some money. And the light road is turning the light on. The trash bin is next to the brown dog of the man. The man is want to take some money, real money. Then he need to wait. This is a happy. The peoples are happy and they have a good day.
Okay, but that is so quick. Navi, can you do it again? Navi, you did not even include what they are doing, Navi, what they are wearing. Why are you in a hurry, Navi?
Short.
Why are you in a hurry? I understand that you want to finish more pictures, Navi, but you have to present each of them well. Okay, so again, you can say that, okay, so we have here, there is a man in front of an ATM. He is wearing okay, he's wearing a red shirt and blue pants. On the opposite side, there are two children sitting on the bench. A girl is wearing glasses with a pink t-shirt, blue shorts, and is playing on her iPad. The boy is wearing a cap, wearing a green t-shirt and blue shorts, is playing on her iPad too. In front of the bench, there is a white, brown, and black dog. Near it, there is a brown dog, and next to the man, there is a brown dog too. Next to the brown dog, there is a yellow bin, and the street light is on. The picture is peaceful and everyone is happy, or it is a sunny day and everyone is enjoying their day. Okay, you have to be more detailed, Navi. Why are you answering it too quickly? Okay, so now let us hear the audio. Wait. Why are you in a hurry, Navi? Why are you in a hurry?
No.
Okay, now let us watch 29.
This is a picture of people and animals outdoors. On the left, a boy and a girl are sitting on a wooden bench. The boy is wearing a cap, a shirt, and shorts. He is holding a tablet and laughing. The girl is wearing glasses, a pink shirt, and blue shorts. She is smiling while looking at her tablet. A small brown and white dog is resting on the grass near them. Another yellow dog is standing nearby, watching the children. There are green trees and a white fence in the background. On the right, a man is using an ATM. He is wearing a red shirt and blue jeans. He is putting a card into the machine. Next to him, a brown dog is sitting and waiting. There is a yellow bin near the ATM and a lamppost near the brick wall.
Okay, there you have it, Navi. See, I know you can do. You can do it, Navi. You can present it exactly like that, Navi. Are you tired, Navi?
No.
Okay, so now this will be the last picture in this.
Sir, can you come down? Let me see. Can you come down?
Why? This is the last one. This is the last one, Navi. Okay, and we will have another picture. Okay, we will have speaking practice 31. Okay, so now, can you tell me what is the name of the house? What is the name of the house, Navi?
The name of the house is greenhouse.
What animal is sitting on the fence?
Fence?
Yeah.
There's not animal.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, there
It's the
is.
cat.
Okay, yes. A cat is sitting on the
On
fence.
the fence.
Yeah, who is sitting on the bench? Who is
It's the
sitting on the
girl.
bench? But we have here 3 girls, Navi, so you have to be
It's the
more
girl.
specific. Okay, it's the girl wearing you have to be more specific, Navi.
Yes.
Who is sitting on the bench?
It's,
Who is sitting on the bench, Navi?
the girl. She's playing the guitar.
Okay, so the girl wearing wearing her uniform, I believe, wearing a uniform and is playing a guitar is sitting on the bench. Now, what is the boy doing?
The boy is sitting and doing something with the girl.
Okay, so the boy is sitting on a wooden chair and talking to the girl watering the plants. Now, what color is the watering can?
It's red.
Okay, the watering can is red. How many girls are wearing hats? How many girls are wearing hats?
There are 2 girls.
Okay, 2 girls are wearing hats. Who is playing the
Yes.
guitar? Who is playing the guitar?
It's the girl sitting on the bench.
Okay, yes, very good, Navi. Now, let us have this picture. So, same as earlier, Navi, since this is the last picture, I will give you 1 minute. Do not rush in presenting it, Navi, okay? So, 1 minute and we will
Đây là
start.
trang của ạ. Teacher, how many days more how many days we will learn again?
We will see each other again on Wednesday.
How many time more we will
Before we end,
how many days more I with you my mom will need to give you some money to learn more.
oh, I think we still have a lot of time, Navi. We still have a lot of time. See, it's in here. Oh, 22 more, Navi. 22 more.
Oh no.
Okay, so
And can
now,
you see Nini?
huh? What?
Nini.
Nini? Nini is still 50.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, because your mom renewed her package last time. That is why.
Dog.
Okay, so now, Navi, let us continue. Okay, so I will give you 1 minute, Navi, and let us start the presentation. Please take your time, Navi. Oh, you're sleepy now? Why are you smiling like that, Navi? Why are you smiling like that? Okay, so now, Navi, let us start with this one. Focus, Navi. Oh, what are you eating?
Medicine.
Oh, medicine. Why? What's the matter? What happened to you, Navi? What happened to you? You have a cough? Do you have a cough?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Get well soon, Navi. Okay, so let us start now, shall we?
It's like difficult to eat or drink because it's
Oh, so you have a tonsillitis. Wait, it's not a cough, Navi. It's a tonsillitis. Tonsillitis.
Viêm amidan.
Oh, no. Because you said it's difficult to eat or drink. Okay, so it's another one. Now, Navi,
like
let us.
it's not some food, the medicine.
Oh, it's the medicine itself. Okay. So now, Navi, let us start here. Focus now, Navi, focus. Don't rush, Navi. This is the last picture. I want you to present it well. Okay. Start now, Navi. This is a picture
This is a
of.
picture of the garden, of the zoo. There's a girl. She's playing on a
A garden in the
swing.
zoo?
No, this is a picture of a zoo.
No, it's not a zoo. It's not a
This
zoo.
is a garden. The girl with a blue t-shirt with blue trousers with red shoes are swinging on a swing.
Swinging.
Swinging. There's a cat on the ladder
On the fence.
on the fence. The girl is tapping something on the red can to put some water in the flower with the boy. There's a dog. The dog is happily looking in the camera. No, the girl. Say a girl again. It's the girl is wearing a white t-shirt with green shorts with a red and blue hat. The boy is sitting on the chair and he is wearing a white t-shirt with a brown shorts with blue and blue hat with browns. He is tapping with the girl in the in the cup. The two dogs are looking at them. One girl is sitting next to the host, and she is playing the guitar. And there are many trees are in the greenhouse.
In the greenhouse, are you sure?
Many trees in the greenhouse. This one, and there the flowers are grow very big and they are very beautiful. The people are happy and the day are very good.
Okay, thank you so much, Navi. Okay, so again, learn to slow down, Navi. We are not in a rush here, okay? So you said the girl are swinging on this in the swing. Okay, so in here it's just a girl, so we will use is you said the girl is next to the host. You can just say is sitting on the bench, Navi, sitting on the bench or in front of the host. You can say that, not next to the host. Okay, not the greenhouse is not full of trees, Navi. Remember the trees are outside the greenhouse, and inside the greenhouse we only have plants.
Yes.
Okay, potted plants, Navi. Okay, so and in here, what do you call it again? What do you call it?
A cup of
No, it's not a cup.
the
It's
red
not a cup.
what?
It's not a cup. This is the cup, Navi. This is the cup.
A hose.
This is the cup.
A hose.
But this is not a cup. No, this is the
A
hose.
hose.
This is the hose, the green one. That is a hose. What about the red one? What do we call it?
I don't know.
It's a watering can.
Can.
No.
Yes, I know. It's the same object.
Not just a can, Navi. It's a watering can. Watering can. Not just a can. Okay, so in here, Navi, you could have said that the girl wearing a blue hat with a red ribbon, white t-shirt, and blue shorts is holding a red watering can and is about to water the plants. Next to her, the boy is sitting on a wooden chair. He is wearing a brown hat with a blue ribbon, white shirt, and brown shorts, is pointing at the watering can. To the left of the picture, there is a greenhouse. In front of it, there is a wooden chair with a girl sitting and playing a guitar on it. You can talk like that, Navi. So you can end it by saying the picture looks, or the garden looks peaceful and everyone is happy. Okay, so that is it. Now let us watch the video about it, Navi. We are now already in 30. Wait. Where is 30 now?
This is a picture of a lively garden. On the left, a girl is sitting on a swing. She is wearing a cap and smiling. A grey cat is sitting on a fence near her. In the middle, another girl with blonde hair is watering the plants with a red watering can. A boy is sitting on a small chair close to her, pointing at the plants. Near them, there are two dogs. On the right, there is a glass house with a sign that says greenhouse. Next to the greenhouse, a girl is sitting on a bench and playing the guitar. This is a joyful and active garden.
Okay, there you have it, Navi. That is how it is. So, more practice will lead to more improvement, Navi. Thank you so much. That would be all it, and I'll see you again on Wednesday. Goodbye, Navi.
Bye, teacher.